All right, we move on to speaking part two, and your topic is describe a time you got up early. So,
I usually sleep late at night. Sometimes even as late as 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and uh, and that's why I mostly wake up late in the morning. So 5 months ago I had an exam, so I had to wake up early in the morning. So uh, I decided to sleep late at night. Uh, I decided to sleep early
early at
at
night, yeah.
night at 9. So I slept at 9 p.m. at a time, and I woke up at 6 a.m. because my exam time was very quite early. So from 8:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. So I had to revise my syllabus as well. So I woke up and
Okay, that's good. It's better than before, but keep it up. You have to speak more and focus your tenses also, right? So if you have to get up early in the morning, you have to go to bed early, right? Yeah, not late at night. Let's go on. Speaking part three. Do you know anyone who likes to get up early?
yeah, my mother, she always gives me lecture that
Gives me
gives
lecture.
gives me lecture that I have to if I have to do anything in my life, so I should wake up early in the morning. So
And she also wakes up early in the morning, because that's what the question is. Do you know anyone who likes to get up early? Say, yes, my mother, she always gets up early in the morning and she lectures me on that also. She wants me to wake up early, something like that. Okay. All right. Thank you.